Hello, my name is Cass Bushworth, and this is my project demo. I'm going to start by showing off the database, the two databases I'm going to be using. First one is user, which is what's used to log in, and the second one is account_details, which is where I'll be editing the profile information, more in-depth information. I set up a test account in both with the ID as 10 in both tables. So this is just to show you a brief overview of the code I wrote. I wrote 2 pages, profile and edit profile. It should be edit account and edit profile, although I didn't have time to change it, unfortunately. Both of the pages look very similar. They have a initial page showing the information from the account, and then you can click a button which will bring up a pop-up where you can edit the information. So these are this is where the information is saved. Then there's the testing, and finally this is where it is uploaded. The backend I wrote is only the backend for my the edit profile page, as the edit account backend had already been written. I wrote for delete, get, put and post. Delete, get and put all via ID, but that's all commented in my code. So start it all up. Tab. So first thing I want to show you is that when you click on edit profile, if you're not logged in, it will not let you edit or see anything. I'm just going to open up the network. There you are. If I now log in, which is not my page, that takes me over here, which is not where I want to be. I'll go back to home, and now if you go on edit profile and refresh it a couple of times, there we go. I logged into the wrong profile. Well, this shows you one of the features anyway. So I logged into test instead of demo, which has a user ID of 20. In account details, I have now created an account with the ID of 20, which did not exist beforehand. Everything is null currently because it can be. So I will log out and show you the proper account. I've also shown you the logout function. There you go. Right. There we are in the proper account, and if I refresh, you should get yes. The get method, which takes all the information from the database under ID 10, because that is the same ID. So to edit profile, click on this, and here's pop-up, close that all works, and I will change it all to demo, similarly to my testing video. wage and hours have to be numbers. You cannot physically enter anything but numbers. Change it to 20. None of this information apart from the ID has to be filled in. It can be left blank, as I'll show you with company, for example. Save changes, it changes it here, and you should see a these all going to be getting. Okay, well it should have changed it in the database as well. Yeah, there we go. So it is all now demo, and company has been left blank. Right, I will now show you some of the error scenarios. The first one is going to be a username which is over 12 characters. There we go, and if I try and save it now, the error comes up, username cannot be more than 12 characters. The next two I will show you is minus wage. There we go, wage cannot be a minus number. As shown in my testing, unfortunately you have to click it twice for the correct error to come up. I have, again, time limited and wasn't able to fix this before making this video. Weekly hours cannot be a minus either. There we go, and so now that's my edit profile page. Now showing you my second page, it's the edit account. You click this button here and it will take you here. So this one is connected directly to the user database here. The reason we have two databases is due to lack of communication between group members, unfortunately. So all the same information is shown there as it is here. If you go to edit account, very similar. I'll change it all to test this time, and age to 40. Change password to test12345. We'll go over the error. There we go. Do not want to save that. And then if I go to database, you can see it's changed to test. Now I'm going to change it back to demo so that it can be used in the future, and I will show you some of the error that I've coded for. So for starters, it has to be an email. If it's not in that, if it's not done in that way, it won't let you go. And let's do that properly. Age has to be between 16 and 67, I believe. There we go. So if it's 10, it does not let you save. If it's 90, it also does not let you save. Passwords have to be, I think, at least 8 characters long. So if I give them both to 2, there we go. Password should be 8 characters long, and if one is different to the other, it will also not let you save. Password should match. There we go. Finally, I will show you the delete account function. So this is, just quickly, this account under user ID 10 there, and also this account under ID 10 as well. So if I go to delete account, then check this, the account has been deleted from that database and from this database. No ID of 10. Finally, I'm going to show you the create account function one more time, as I didn't show it properly. So I've deleted the account with the user ID of 20. So if I sign in to this account here with user ID of 20, which is test@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I go to, back to the start and to edit profile. It should now, once I reload it, let's get, unfortunately it doesn't seem to be showing that. If I go here, yeah, it has created a blank account with the same ID of 20, which I can now edit as I wish, for example. If I reload that. And go back to here, continent should be male. Great, that is my code. Hopefully that's covered everything. Thank you.